We are gathered here today with Anton Mikhailov to discuss and workshop the C++ API.
I mean, the first part of designing an API is picking a cool project name, right?
It has to have zero connections to what it actually does. Short, sweet, kind of like OpenAI, Meta.
Meta register.
No, that's too close.
Too long. Meta-reg.
You're supposed to accept 2 images and return a 3D matrix.
It's going to be private, so people can't touch it. You know, we don't want anyone touching our state because it's our state. It doesn't matter. Whoa, what was that?
Whoa.
That's crazy. What was sub? Okay, whatever.
Sub.
My kind of point is you can always wrap this kind of thing in a future, but you can't wrap a future in this. The APIs that last, in my opinion, are the ones that are the least reliant on heavy machinery. A good example of this being true is the CLAPACK library, the linear algebra pack. And then C just wrapped it in the C API. And then you look at NumPy and it's just a wrapped version of CLAPACK or Eigen. And you will have to drag me kicking and screaming to the full modern C++.
What chat is thinking about Anton's API so far? Okay, there's already a suggestion to do stit optional.
No,
we'll get there.
But yeah, we could, yeah.
But Anton's already irritated.
Doctor or the medical professional can sort of open these things, they pick 2 images and like register these, and then they're like, I don't have time for this. And then they register 2 more and register 2 more, and then they go back to the first window and it's like, is it done yet? Is that what's happening?
You know this meme when there's like this guy who's like all sweating with the keyboard? Like this is doctors like scheduling the image registration.
Yeah. Because we're C++ people. So presumably this thing has some kind of like thread pool TM. Even if you have infinite memory, you don't have infinite time. The whole point of the library is to solve problems for you, right? And now the library is surfacing its problems. Out of memory is like a canonical return value that I think is really annoying. What I'm suggesting is like work backwards from the user experience. Because again, if we're serious and if everything goes right, which is very rare, you imagine that when everybody's serious all the way up the chain, the user clicks the button and they get a nice little error that says your system's out of memory. I think that's a fantasy. By the time your system has run out of memory, your whole application must be running so dog slow that you'll be just like begging that you can even click that button. No one's gonna hot plug memory into your machine as the app runs. So whatever conditions about memory are at the beginning of your program, they're gonna pretty much remain for the rest of your program, right? You start the medical program, it takes some memory and it says, this is mine. We are done here talking about memory. Okay, so now we have our user data. Okay, so now we can like do the real work here.
Excuse me, this is C-style cast. You're supposed to use either static underscore cast or dynamic underscore cast or reinterpret underscore cast.
Or what's the 4th one?
So there you go. Just email the author. Like, I feel like we've already lost in a way.
Why?
Because we've decided a few things a priori that I think preclude us from having goodness. Like, I think these are all things we should never return, ideally.
There was a comment about making it ZII, for zero is initialization.
Yeah. So in C++, why would you even bother? We're already in hell. Like, we're just trying to put lipstick on a pig.
I want you to know that tabs win the poll against spaces 53%.